Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really very happy that I got so many likes and positive comments in my last video. Thank you very much. Love you all. Now I'm going to start the first chapter of mathematics class 11, that is sets. Yes or not? Sets. So this chapter is very important chapter. Without knowing this chapter, we cannot imagine other chapters like relation and function, probability. So that is very important. But one thing you remember, this is important but it is easy chapter, because this chapter is all about the concept and logic. Calculations are very less. Yes or not? So let's start now. Now before going to start this sets chapter, I'll tell you most important things. A set theory is given by the German mathematician George Cantor, who developed the set theory. Yes or not? Set theory is given by whom? George Cantor, German mathematician. Remember, very important. Now see, sets. In our everyday life, we are already familiar with this set word. For different situation, it has a different meaning. But in this set theory, the set has meaning simply collection. Yes or not? So first let's come to the definition. I'll give you the definition which is given in the NCERT book. Set. See. Set. Set is singular form. Sets is plural form. Remember. Set singular, sets plural. So what definition says? A well-defined collection of objects is called set. This definition is written from NCERT book. Yes or not? See. So let us understand the meaning of this definition step by step. First I'll tell you the collection of objects. Objects. Collection of objects. See, objects also can be said. Objects are also called elements. It is also called members also, remember. Members. Objects are also called elements, objects are also called members. That is why these three words are synonymous, means meaning is same in the set. Now see, what members are? Now tell me, what are the objects? Objects can be anything like chairs, tables, cars, trees. Yes, trees also. Trees, fishes, numbers, letters, etc. So can you see? So can you see this picture? Look at these pictures. So what are these? These are the collection of, this is the collection of fishes. Yes or not? So, and you can see this is the collection of what? All are together. Collection of cars. All are together. So this is, we can say, collection of what? Collection of trees. This is, we can say, collection of numbers, and this is, we can say, collection of letters in English alphabet. Yes. Now let's move to the next term, that is well-defined. See. So first note down this one. Now let's discuss another term, that is well-defined. Collection of object we have done already. Now we'll come to the well-defined term. Now see, I'll give some of the example of collection, yes or not? I'll give some of the examples of collection, just for examples, some example of collection, some example. Of collection. See, number one. Natural number. Collection of natural number. Less than 6. Collection of natural numbers less than 6. Now can you tell me what are the natural numbers which are less than 6? Can you tell me? Yes. So, see here, what I am writing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 6, okay, not 6, because less than 6 written, that is why we will not include 6 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so these are the elements, yes or not? These elements belong to this collection. These elements are the collection of natural numbers less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so it is well defined, yes or not? Every person can say what are the natural numbers less than 6. For me also same, for you also same. For every person in this world, the collections are always same. It do not change from person to person. Yes or not? So this type of collection is called well-defined collection. What defined collection? Well-defined. Remember, this type of collection is called well-defined. Why well-defined? Because this collection not vary, not change from person to person. For you also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For me also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For everyone this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or not? That is why this type of collection is called well-defined collection. Okay. Now I'll give more examples. See. Suppose. Yes. Collection of vowels. Collection of vowels in English alphabet. English alphabet. Tell me. Can you tell me? Can you tell me what are the collection of vowels in English alphabet? So that is already well defined, so everyone can say. What is that? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. How many? 5. So for me also same, for you also same, for everyone in this world, for every person's, these collections are always same. It not going to change. It not vary from person to person. That is why it is well defined. Well defined. Remember. So I'll give you more examples here. Number 3. Okay. Collection of days. Collection of days in a week. Tell me the collection of days in a week. Can you tell me? Tell me. So, you know, in 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days. And what are the days? We know already. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So these are the collections. So these collections are always fixed. For you also Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and for me also this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So these collections are always same. So this is same for every person. So this collection do not change, means not vary from person to person. So this type of collection is also called well defined. What defined? Well defined. See, well defined. So this is also well defined and this is also well defined. Yes or not? This collection is well defined and this collection also well defined and this collection also well defined. Why well defined? Because this collection do not vary from person to person. For every person these collections are always same. So this type of collections are called set. What is this called? Set. So according to the definition we can say a well-defined collection of object is called set. That is why this collection well-defined, this collection also well-defined, this collection also well-defined. That is why this is, we can say, set. This is also set and this is also set and this is also set. Collection of natural number less than 6, this is also 6, set. Collection of vowels in English alphabet, this is also set. Collection of days in a week, this is also set. So these three are sets. So it is set. 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 Remember. So note down. Now I'll give you more examples of collection. Yes or not? So that whether it belongs to set or not. Okay. Now see. I'll give you more examples of collection. Yes or not? See now. Example number 4. 4. Collection. Collection of 3 most dangerous animals. Most dangerous animals. How many? 3. Now see. Can you tell me the collection of 3 most dangerous animals? See, for me, according to me, see, tiger, snake, elephant. So for me, these are most dangerous animals. Yes or not? Now see, for you, this collection may change. You told me, suppose, sir, I don't consider elephant as dangerous animal. So according to you, suppose you don't consider snake, otherwise you don't consider tiger, then according to you these collections may be different. Suppose for you what? Lion, crocodile, shark. Shark live in sea water. So according to you, see, you can see it, the collection is different. Lion, crocodile, shark. For me, tiger, snake, elephant. So these are the most dangerous animals for me, and this is for you. So you can see, so in this way, this dangerous animal may change from person to person. Yes or not? So this type of collection is called not well defined. Remember, this type of collection is called not well defined. That is why collection is changing. That is why this collection is not same. So this type of collection is not called not well defined. Remember. Now see, I'll give more example. See, I'll give example 5. I'm writing collection. Okay, collection of three top cricketers in the world. Tell me the three top cricketers in the world. Now see, for me, suppose for me, Sachin Tendulkar, Sehwag, and Shoaib Akhtar. Yes, and suppose for you it may be different, it may change, the collection may be changed for you. You don't agree with this collection. If you don't agree with this collection, suppose for you that collection is different. Suppose for you, if you don't consider Sachin Tendulkar the good cricketer, Sachin Tendulkar the top cricketers, so for you suppose Dhoni, for you Virat Kohli, and Bumrah. So this is your collection. Dhoni, Virat Kohli and Bumrah. You consider that these three are top cricketers in the world. But I consider Sachin Tendulkar, Sehwag and Shoaib Akhtar are top cricketers in the world. So you can see this changes. Why so this kind of changes? Why this collection changing from person to person? Why collection vary from person to person? Because this collection, these top cricketers is not defined, not well defined in mathematics. Yes or not? That is why this type of changes take place. So this type of collection is called not well defined. So in the similar way, see, in the similar way we can write, what is this? Top 3 Bollywood Okay, top 3 not, suppose three most beautiful Bollywood actress. Yes, so this is also not well defined, because for me also collection may be different and for you also collection may be different. So this type of collection is called not well defined. I am not writing here, see, I am not writing the collection, yes or not. Just you comment and write in the comment section who are the most beautiful Bollywood actress. Yes, that one write in the comment section. Okay, so you can see all these are the collection. Can you see, this is also collection, this is also collection, this is also collection, but these collections are not well defined. Why not well defined? Because my collection may not be same with other collection. Other may object, other person are not agree with my collection, their collections are different. So this type of collection is called not well defined. So these collections are not set. Remember, these collections are not set. Okay, so we'll move to the next topic now. Now students, listen to me very carefully. There are so many important things that you need to know. That is, number 1, note down, note 1, sets are usually denoted by capital letters, very important point, like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, means it may be P, Q, R, S, anything, but capital letters, remember. Now, and what is this? Elements. Elements are usually denoted by what? Denoted by small letters. Small letters like A, B, C, same, X, Y, Z, all these are small letters. Denoted means what? To write in the short form, yes or not? To give the name of set. In simple way we can understand. Now see, this is on number 2 point. Very important point, remember. If X is the element of set, suppose considering A, if X is the element of set A, then we can write X belongs to set A, yes or not? Now see, X is what? X is element, small letter. A is what? A is set. So X is the element of set A, means X is the member. X is the member of set A. So we can write x belongs to set A. It read as x belongs to set A. X belongs to set A. X belong to set A. This sign, can you see this sign? This is not E, remember. This is epsilon, Greek letter epsilon. This is Greek letter, not English alphabet, remember. Epsilon. Epsilon meaning belongs to. X belongs to set A. So, suppose if Y is not the element, remember, element of set A, then we can write small letter means element, capital letter means set. If Y is not the element of set A, then we can write Y does not belong to set A. It means what? It means Y belongs to set A, but if you cut like this, it means does not belong. Does not belong. Y does not belong to set A. So we can read this one as Y does not belong to set A. Clear? Y does not belong to set A. Does not. Why does not belong? Because Y is not the element of set A. If Y is not the element of set A, then only we can write in this way. Y does not belong to A. Okay. Now I'll give you very good example. Suppose set of vowels. Set of vowels. Tell me, what are the vowels? Suppose I am denoting this set as V. Correct? Set of vowels V. I already told you that sets are usually denoted by what letter? Capital letter. Yes? And you know what are the elements are there in the vowels? How many vowels? 5 vowels. Yes or not? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So we'll write here all the elements here in a second. A, E, I, O, U. Clear? So this is the set of vowels, and this set name is given what? V. Denoted by V. Now, can you see all these elements? All these elements are the member of V. All these elements are the member of V. All these elements. So we can write A. A belongs to V. In the same way, we can write E belongs to V, I belongs to V, O belongs to V, and U belongs to V. Now, suppose I am taking another element. Suppose I am taking another element, that is B. Suppose B. Yes or not? Does B is the member of this set? this is vowel, this set of vowels, and B is not vowel. B is what? B is consonant. So we cannot write B belongs to V. Remember, we cannot write. That is why we have to write in this way. B does not belong to V. Yes or not? In the same way, all the consonants can be written in this way. K also, K does not belong to V. G does not belong to V. Yes? So this is the very important point that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so now let's move to the next topic. Now students, now I'll give you some standard sets in mathematics. Yes or not? Some example of standard sets. See here. R. Yes. See, I told you the sets are usually represented by what letter? Capital letter. So R means what? Set of all real numbers. Remember. This is fixed. In whole mathematics we are using R for what? Set of real numbers. Now see. N is what? Set of all natural number. And Z is what? Z denoting set of all integers. And Q for what? Set of all rational numbers. R plus. Can you see plus? This is R plus. Remember, R positive. Set of all positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. You know R for set of all real numbers. If you do plus, that means it becomes what? Plus for positive real numbers. Plus for positive real numbers. Okay. So in the same way, we can write Z plus. Z plus means what? You know Z means what? Set of all integers. So plus is there. So that is why we can write set of all positive integers. Okay. Now see last. Q plus. Yes. Q for what? Q for set of all rational numbers. So we can write set Q plus set of all positive rational number. Positive rational number. Numbers. Yes. So these sets you have to keep in mind. This is the fix. In whole mathematics we are using R for set of all real numbers, N for set of all natural numbers, Z for all integers, Q for all rational numbers. Okay, so note down this one. This is very important. Now we'll move to the next topic, that is representation of set. Yes or not? How can we represent? Now how to write the set? Now we are coming to the most important topic. How to represent any set? There are two forms are there. in two way we can represent the set. That one we'll discuss in next topic. Now we are coming to the very important topic. Yes or not? Now see, till now we have done what is set, what are the elements in the set, and how can we denote a set. Now we are going to discuss representation of set. Very important topic. Yes or not? See, representation of a set. See, a set can be represented by two methods. Number one, a set can be represented by two methods. Number one is roster form or tabular form. Roster, or we can say tabular form. And number two, set builder form. Set builder form. Two form is there, roster form and set builder form. Roster, another name is tabular form. Remember, tabular form or roster form. Remember, set builder form. So we will discuss this one. First we'll discuss what is roster form. Yes, then we'll move to the set builder form. See now, for example, yes, set number one. See, set in roster form. Remember, in roster form, how we can write roster form? See here, first we'll discuss roster form. I told you, set of natural number. Suppose set of natural numbers less than 6. Set of natural number less than 6. How can we write? You know that natural numbers, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but less than 6. So 6 is not included. That is why we'll write, what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, how can we represent this one's roster form? All the elements, remember, all the elements are written within the second bracket or curly braces. Remember, curly braces. All the elements are written within, enclosed by curly braces. These braces, you know, this is curly braces, or we can say second bracket also. Curly braces. You know this sign already? Yes. All the elements are written within the curly braces. So, and these elements are written separated by comma. Can you see comma? 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, and finally no comma. Remember? Yes or not? Only comma in between the elements. In between the elements. Remember, all the elements are separated by comma, and it is written within the what? Curly braces. Yes, otherwise we can use second bracket. So this is the set, and we can write this one, we can denote this one. Suppose you can write this one A, no problem. I told you already that set is usually denoted by what? Capital letter. So we can write in this way. So this form, what form? Roster form. Roster form or tabular form. In this form, all the elements are written. All the elements are written within the braces, separated by comma. Separated by what? Comma. Can you see? Comma is there. So this is the number one. See, I'll give more example. Now, another example. Number 2. Suppose set of prime factors of 12. 12, remember. Prime factors, remember? Do you know prime factors? What are the prime factors? Now see, factorize this one 12 roughly. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Clear? So we are getting the prime factors what? 2, 2 and 3. Yes, and one thing you remember, very very important point. In set, elements cannot be repeated. We cannot write same element more than one time. Yes, elements cannot be repeated. Note down, this is very important point. Note, remember, very important point. Elements cannot be repeated. Remember, this point is very important point. So how many prime factors are there? 2, 2, 3, but we'll consider only one time, not two times. 2 will consider only one time because elements cannot be repeated. Yes, that is why we'll write prime factors 2, 3, and we'll give what bracket? Curly braces. Second bracket also it is called. Within curly braces 2, 3. Here double 2, but we'll write only one time because we cannot write more than one time. Remember, we cannot write twice, otherwise thrice. Only one time can be written because elements cannot be repeated. In set. Yes, very important point. So give name this one. You can give this one set B, no problem, denoted by B. So in this way we write in the what form? Roster form. Yes, again I'll give you another example. Suppose number 3. Set of all letters in India clear? Yes, set of all letters in India. So you can see easily what are the elements are there? I, N, D, I, A. So this one can be written in the roster form in this way. Write all the elements. Second bracket, curly braces, I, give comma, separated by comma, N, comma, D, comma, I. Again I. See, again I. But as this is set, in set elements cannot be repeated. Very important point. I told you, in set elements cannot be repeated. So we cannot write I two times. Though here two times written in India, but we'll write only one time. Very important point. Yes. So very easy. I and D, then what is left? A. And enclose the bracket. Yes. So in this way we can write what form? Roster form. Give name, any name. Give name. This is, suppose, denote C. No problem. Roster form. So very easy, no problem. Only what is roster form? What is there? Only elements are repeated. Only what is this? Elements are written within second bracket or curly braces, and it is separated by comma. And we have to keep in mind, no elements be repeated. Yes. Okay. So very easy. Now we'll move to the next set builder form. Roster form we have already done. We'll practice more in the exercise. Now as we have done already roster form, now we are coming to the set builder form. Yes, set builder form. Okay, check. I think spelling is a little bit mistake here. Set builder. Remember, L is there. Set builder form. Build. How can we build the set? Yes or not? By set builder form, we can write any set. Remember. See. Now coming to the set builder form. Set builder form. L is there. Remember L. In set builder form, see now. In roster form, we have done all the elements are written within the curly braces. Yes or not? But in this form, in set builder form, all the elements are not written. In set builder form, what is written? The common property of elements. Common property of elements are written within curly braces. There is the difference. All the elements are not written in this form. Only property is written. See here, I'll give one example just for set. Number one. Set of vowels in English alphabet. See. What I said, that in roster form we used to write all the elements, but in set builder form will not write all the elements, only will write the common property of elements. For example, see, suppose, see here also we are writing curly braces. Now instead of writing, you know that set of vowels, what is the set of vowels? We know that A, E, I, O, U. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. But will not write A, E, I, O, U. Instead of writing all the elements, we'll write only one element. That is also in variable form. What form? Variable form. See, only one element, that is also what form? Variable form, unknown element. See here. Instead of writing all the elements, we are writing only one element. And that is also what form? Variable form. You can see I told you the element is written usually in small letter. What letter? Small letter. Keep in mind. So this is small letter. Instead of writing A, E, I, O, U, I am writing only one element. See. Now, see the process and give colon. You know colon sign? This is what? 2 dot colon. Colon means such that. Now you have to mention the property. Can you see what property A, E, I, O, U holds? What is the common property? What is A? Just think, what is A? A is also English alphabet. A is vowels. Vowels in English alphabet. What is E? E also vowel. What is I? I also vowels. So you can see in these elements, what is the common? They all are vowels in English alphabet. So this is the property. So we can write property here where X is vowels in English alphabet. So very easy and bracket close. See here. Instead of writing A, E, I, O, U, I am writing only one X, unknown variable, element. Only one element I am writing, that is also unknown. And we have to mention this element property, common property we have to mention. What is the common property? This X is what? Vowels in English alphabet. So it is read as set of all the X, set of all the X such that, this colon indicates such that X is vowels in English alphabet. So in this way we can write in what form? Set builder form. So very easy. Now I'll give you more examples here. For example, suppose, yes, here, see, yes, suppose set of natural numbers less than 6. This type of set already we have done in roster form, yes or not? So, and we know that what are the set of natural number? Set of natural number, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear? Now see, in set builder form, how can we write? Instead of writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we mention only one unknown element, that is X. Or you can write Y also, but small letter, keep in mind. How can we represent this one? Any letter you can represent. You can write A also, B also, no problem. But that should be what letter? Small letter, because this representing element, this representing all the elements of this set. That is why. So colon stands for what? Such that. Now we have to mention the property. What is the property? Suppose for example, this for rough work, yes or not? This for rough work, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the common? What is the common in these elements? What are these actually? What are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are these actually? What is this? Is there any common? Yes. We know, sir, all these are what? All these are natural number, but it is less than 6. So mention this common property, very easy, where X is natural number, just wait, numbers less than 6, and bracket close. Very easy. So this is what form? set builder form. You can denote this set 1, suppose this is set A. Suppose you can write this one set B, no problem. In this way we can write set builder form. See. So can you see? We are not writing all the elements in the second bracket, whereas in roster form we used to write all the elements, but here we are writing only the property. What property? Common property of elements we are writing. X is natural number less than 6. This is the property, remember. This is the property, and this is also property. X is vowels in English alphabet. Now I'll give more example. See, just wait, no place, that is why we have to erase this one. Note down this one. I'll give one third example also. Now I'll give you one more example for set builder form. Example 3. See here. Set of even natural numbers. Yes, natural numbers we know already, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 so on. Yes or no? All these are natural number, but here written even natural number. What are the even natural number? 2 4 6 8 in this way. Yes or no? 2 4 6 8 and so on. So these are even natural number. So we can write easily. I told you no need to write all the elements. Just put what? X, such that, what is X? X is even natural number. Just mention the property. Very easy. And second bracket, curly brackets. Okay, you can write this one E also, denote. So in this way we can write in the what? Set builder form. Property is mentioned here. But now I'll tell you one important thing. See here, to write this property there are different ways. To write the property, remember. Like for example, see, I'll give you one example. Same set, remember, this is also set builder form. I am writing this E set in another form. Means I am writing this one property, I'll write in the another form. See here. Suppose same process is same. X, such that. Now see, 2 4 6 8, what are these? These are even natural number. And can you see any common in this number? All the numbers are divisible by 2. Can you see? All the numbers are divisible by 2. So we can say these numbers are multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and so on. So these are what actually? These are the multiple of 2. So we can write x equal to 2n. What is n? N is natural number. That is why we can say n belongs to set of natural number. What is n? N is standard set. N is set of all natural numbers. So that is why n indicate what? N indicate, this small n indicate natural number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Remember, 1, this n, small n indicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. So you can see here, if you put the n value 1, then you are getting 2. Yes or not? If you put the n value 2, you are getting 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. So in this way we are getting even natural number. So this property we are mentioning, I am writing in the different way. There are different ways are there to mention the property. This is also property and this is also property, remember. But form is another form. Okay, so this is set builder form. So set builder form we can write either this or this. Don't write both. Either you can write this one above one or you can write down one. So this is also set builder form. This is also set builder form. Yes, very easy, no problem. Only what is there in this chapter? Only concept and logic. Calculation, no calculation. Very easy chapter. Now we are at the end of this lecture. So in next video I'll bring the solution for, note down this one, solution for exercise 1.1. Whatever concept we have learned in this lecture, we'll apply all those concepts in this exercise. Yes, so stay tuned with this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.